Hello, how are you everyone? I hope you're doing good. So, I'm gonna start a very interesting and very easy topic for today. That is your chapter number 5, materials and things. Before starting a lesson, I would like to ask a beautiful question, that is, suppose you're watching a video, YouTube video, and you heard a voice or noises from the kitchen, and you saw a cat has disturbed all your kitchen items. The cat has disturbed all the kitchen items, and the cat has broken all the items. So you find there is a lot of kitchen materials on the floor. Some were broken and some were not broken, as you can see in the picture. So can you guess and say me which materials were broken and which materials are not? It's very easy, right? The ceramic materials or the earthenware materials were broken. The materials like this would be definitely broken, and the materials like stainless steels, it would have not broken because these are strong materials, and these materials are made up of metals. That's why they are not broken. And these the materials are made up of mud, clay, so that's why these materials are broken up. Okay, even the materials like wooden items would not have been broken because they are again strong, they are not fragile like mud or clay like that. And now we will start a very interesting thing, that is your activity 1. You have to answer all the questions. Just I will You have to answer yes all the questions. So the name of the activity is materials used to make different objects. First of all, I will say you one object. Then you have to say me what is the material used in that object. Suppose if I will say a door like this in the picture. If I say you a door, which materials is used to make that object? First of all, wood for the doors, yes or no? Next, you can see the handle of the door is not made up of wood. Yes or no? Yes. It is made up of metal. And sometimes you saw we got hurt by the door stopper, right? It happens with everyone, right? So it is made up of rubber. So the three materials we can see. First of all, your wood material. Next is a metal made up of handle, right? Handles made up of metal. Next, rubber. These three materials are combined together to make an object called door. Correct? Now I have given the example. Now you have to do one thing. Towels. Towels are made up of only one material, single material, right? Purely cotton. Next, bicycle. Now think and say me what type of materials is used to make a bicycle. First of all, you will say me metal, right? Then stainless steel. For the tires, rubber, correct? And these are the material used for the bicycle. Next, if I talk about the knife, if I talk about the object called knife, there are two types of knife. First of all, the wooden knife. Yes. Next one is a plastic knife. You can see a wood and a stainless steel in plastic knife. Plastic and stainless steel. Correct. Now, if I say you give me the materials which is used for making mirror, you will say me there is only one material, that is mirror only. But you can see there is a plain mirror here. If I attach a frame, like if I attach a plastic, so it will become a plastic mirror. Yes, on two materials used. And if I go for the wooden frame, so wooden mirror and the metal frame mirror. So there are these type of materials is used for making an object called mirror. Now let's come to the shoes. I think you people are might fond of shoes, heels, boots like that. And most of the shoes are made up of leather, correct? And leather, and even you can see in the picture a plastic or rubber shoes also even possible nowadays. If I talk about the pots, as you can see in the picture, there are ceramic pots, ceramic material. It is made up of clay or metal, correct? Now, you have to answer me this in the comment section, that which objects are made up of only one material, like a single material is used, not three or four material is used, like in a door. Three or four materials is used in the door, right? In the door. So I want a single object which is made up of single material. Getting my point? Just like a towel. Like a towel. It is purely made up of cotton. Correct? Now, this is very fun activity. Second activity, objects made from different materials. Just now I have given you the objects and you are finding the materials. Yes or no? Now I will give you now material like metal. So metal is used in a home. Correct? In in many things. So what are those things? You have to recall that to have better preparation in your examination. Suppose now if I am saying metal, where metal is used, think. I think it's very easy. The light which you can see is through the wires, right? And the wires has metal, as you can see in the picture, correct? And metals can be seen for having some snacks, like if you want to buy a snack you need coins, right? For electric wires, and of course utensils, metals, iron nails are there, machines are there, lot more things are there, right? For metal. Now plastic, where you can see the plastic, first of all, which is in your hand, especially if you are a student. Pen made up of plastic. Bag which you wear is made up of plastic. Shoes which you wear is leather and plastic somewhat. And most all the things like mugs, toys, all these things, and especially the bottle which you carry is made up of plastic and sometimes steels also. So we are considering the plastic bottles, right? Then glass. Glass you can say mm, mirrors. Mirrors are you. I think you people have mirror in the window, right? Like you can say window panes. It is called window panes, as you can see in the picture. Now where is the wooden material used? First of all, if you are on the bed, definitely it is made up of wood. And if you are on the wooden chair, it is made up of wood. And knife is made up of wood. Some sofas also are also made up of wood. Chairs, table, yes. Cotton clothes, as well as cotton pillows, as you can see. Mattresses, blankets, etc. Leathers, again, shoes, bag, purse, sofa, suitcase. Ceramic materials. Ceramic materials means which is made up of purely sand or mud, soil, like that materials. And might you people don't know this, the materials like rock is used to make idols, statues like Buddha statue. I think everyone know Hussain Sagar Lake. Yes or no? So in Hussain Sagar Lake, we see a statue of Buddha. It is made up of rock. Correct? It is called as idols. It is called statues. So I hope these activities it's very clear with you. First of all, we are considering a object and we are considering its material, means how many type of material is used in a single object, correct? Now next, we are considering a material where these materials are used in different objects. I think these points are very clear, right? Now we will move on to the next topic, like properties of material. This is the last topic of today's class. Then I'll continue in the next part, okay? Okay, before